Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm working on a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. This is not the V6. This is not the turbo. This is the 2.4 liter, the sport model. First thing you want to do, open up the hood. The air intake box is going to be on the driver's side. This is the driver's side. Okay, it does not take any tools. Anybody can do this. Anybody, especially ladies. I encourage you guys to do this. Save yourself $100. Stay away from the dealership. Here we go. All it takes is 2 clips. One here, like that. The other one here, like that. See, 1, 2. You could lift up on this if you want to, the top cover. But then the most important part is this little tab right here. Another lip, like a tab, like a cover. Just pull that cover down, like that. Then go ahead and grab your filter, like this. It slides out, just like this. Look, just slides out. See? Out. And then pay attention to how it goes, okay? Obviously the filter is rectangular. So it's rectangular. So the long side goes into the car, like vertically, okay? Like that. Then if you look, you see how there's like, let's just say there's a lip. This is the wide side, and this is the thin side. Wide side, thin side. So you wanna make sure the wide side goes down, okay? Facing down. Then this open part, right here, on both sides, doesn't matter. Just slide it back in, just like that. Right here, I'll show it to you guys. One hand. You guys, ladies, you guys can do this. I encourage everybody to do this. Right there. Look, 4 fingers. Right there. Close the lid. Flip your tabs. Lift up the box a little bit. Yeah. Flip the tab. 1, 2. See? You guys are done. You just saved yourself $100. Stay away from the dealership. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Always, always be safe.